Wow, look at this shit. Oh my God. Woo! Yep. See, that's where I live. No sense in going in there. Damn. That water's sitting all the way up. Lord have mercy. Let me get the... Oh, Jesus. Oh, shit. Oh, Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Let me get my ass out of this goddamn weather and go home. Oh. Come on, baby. Get me home. Get me home. Oh, my God. So glad I got a truck. So I don't get stuck. Glad I got a truck. Hey, so I don't get stuck. Glad I got a truck. So I don't get stuck. Praise the Lord. I'm going home. I'm going home. Look at this. Why was you sitting in there? Now you tell me why that motherfucker was sitting there. The police got to go and get him. Oh! Shit! Look at that. You got the police out there in the damn rain trying to rescue you. This is right in front of my house. Child, let me take my ass. Oh. That lightning flashing out here like crazy. I'm so glad there ain't no trees around. But it damn sure is lightning like hell. Now why? Where you going, sir? Guess you're trying to get your ass home too. Oh, Lord. Never been so glad to be home, even if my lights go out temporarily. Home sweet home. This is what we dealing with. Flash flood. Come to me. Come to me, my sweet. Oh my God. Come on. Oh my God. Oh my God. They are stuck.